All right, we're back. Literally 5 minutes later, but it wasn't 5 minutes for you guys. We had wheels the whole time. They're right there. Like,
These are the new wheels.
This is the new wheels.
Would you like to tell them the statistics about the wheels, Jaden?
Okay, yeah, so they're 16s, which should look good on the car. They're wrapped in some Hankook tires, which are Hankook Ventus V2 concepts, which are pretty good performance tires just for street stuff pretty much. These are 205 45 16s, so he should be running pretty good fitment actually on the car, so I'm really excited to see how this looks. But yeah, we're gonna put them on in today's video, so you guys are gonna see how the shitty ass E30 is gonna look with some beautiful wheels, and then it won't be a shitty ass E30, it'll be a beautiful E30.
See this part right here?
Oh yeah, Ethan has something to say to BMW.
This part was $500 right here. BMW, you need to stop ripping people off. Fuck you.
This is an upgrade for the E30. Stainless steel brake lines. Definitely something I think will be a worthy investment.
Alright, Jason, let me give you some life advice. If you want to be cool in life, don't drive this thing. This thing is so ugly and a literal piece of shit. Like, look at this. Look at how ghetto this looks. This is black. This is like silver. Like, this is the ultimate.
Oh, show the taillight. Show the taillight.
Look at this. The taillight's literally falling off the car. I don't want to touch it, but like, it's falling off the car. This bad boy is scratched up. Like, PT Cruiser sucks.
My uncle had one and it spontaneously caught on fire. Okay, we're gonna forget that happened. I'm gonna keep the camera up here for now, just for safe measures. So they look great, but definitely we need to lower the car because it's running a way skinnier tire, and because of that, the fitment is like kind of obnoxious. Like, oh yeah, that's some good. Like, I could probably stick my head in there, to be honest. So we'll definitely lower the car soon. But it definitely looks a lot better with proper wheels on and not those chrome hunks of crap, for sure. Alrighty, what's up everybody? It's 7:30 in the morning now. I got all the wheels on the E30. I did that this morning. So definite opinions. Definitely needs to get lowered, and we definitely are gonna need some space here to get the fitment. I think the size of the wheels itself is perfect though. The fronts, I think I need to do like 5 mils because I don't know if you can tell, but they like barely clear the caliper. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the wheels. Other than that, we're definitely gonna get coilovers for the car soon. And everything should look pretty mint. So I'm really excited to do this build, you know. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. I'll be heading back home now. Ethan's at work, so that's what's happening there. And yeah, here's the E46. The wheels would look nice if they're, yeah, not gunmetal because they're so dirty. It's pretty cloudy outside, but yeah, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.